left leg front, ankle rotation clockwise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now anti-clockwise, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Shake your legs well. Okay. थोड़ा सा हम हल्का सा कार्डियो करेंगे. So for that, open your legs and then cross your legs. Okay. Your right leg front, right foot front, and left foot at your back. And आपके जो दोनों feet हैं वो one line में रहेंगे. Okay, then again open your legs. Now left foot front and right foot back. Okay, arms on your waist. So let's start. 1, 2, 1 and 2. Okay, so let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Focus on the breath. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, release. Shake your legs. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Palms on your waist. Close your eyes for 5 seconds. Okay, open your eyes. Again, shake your legs. Now legs front and back. 1, 2. 1 and 2. Okay, front and back. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Shake your legs. Slowly come down, your palms on your knees. Take few deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Okay, slowly come up. Again, shake your legs. Come front of your mat for Ashtanga Surya Namaskar. Stand in Samasthiti. Your feet together. Knees cap pulled up. Tailbone tucked in. Roll your shoulders back and push your shoulders down. Your palm side of your thighs. Look front. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Join your palms near to the heart center. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, legs are straight. Make an arch in your lower back and stretch your arms over to your head. Look up, open your chest and your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, exhale, push your lower back. Slowly come down. Try to touch your stomach on your thighs first, then loose your arms and place your palms on the floor, head down. 5, 4, or just bend your knees and then touch your stomach on your thighs. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come on your fingertips, spine straight, head up. 1, 2, or place your palms on your knees, but make sure that your spine is straight. 4, and 5. Okay, exhale, step by step go back. In plank, core engaged. Your shoulder and palm in one line. Look front. Fingers open. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, drop your thighs, knees, curl your toes, open your chest. Look up, push your shoulders down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, hip up, tuck your toes, knees up, press your shoulders. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, step by step come forward. On your fingertips, spine straight, head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, head down. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, slowly come up, legs are straight, arch in your lower back. Stretch your arms over to your head. Look up. 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Join your palms near to the heart center. Look front. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale and release. Shake your legs. Shake your hands. Your legs apart. Side twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, again shake your legs. Inhale and exhale. Okay. अभी हमने क्या करना है, हम jump करेंगे. Jump on your right side. Okay, like this. Jump like this, and then bend your knee and touch your left fingers on the ground and right arm up. Okay, again, then come up and jump on your left side, bend your knee and touch your right fingers on the ground and left arm up. Okay, so it will go like this. Jump on right, opposite hand. Okay, अगर आपका लेफ्ट लेग पे, अगर राइट लेग पे आप जा रहे हो तो आपका लेफ्ट आर्म ग्राउंड पर रहेगा एंड राइट आर्म. Focus on your breath. Inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, hold on left side. 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come on, right. Hold on right side. 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come up, release. Shake your legs. Shake your hands. Inhale and exhale. Slowly come down, your palms on the knees. Take few deep breaths. Normalize your breath. Okay, inhale, come up, come front of your mat for second round. Sthana Samasthiti. Your body in one line. Pull your shoulders down and stretch your neck up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Join your palms near to the heart center. Look front. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, inhale. Legs straight. Make an arch in your lower back. Stretch your arms over to your head. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale. Slowly come down. Shift your focus on your lower back. Arch बनाते हुए नीचे की तरफ आएंगे, and then touch your stomach on your thighs. Place your palms on the floor. Head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale on your fingertips, spine straight, head up. Look front. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, exhale, step by step, go back in plank. Your fingers open, shoulders and palm in one line, core engaged. 5 breaths. 1, 2, your elbow eyes facing each other. 3, 4, and 5. Okay, inhale, drop your knees, curl your toes, press your lower back, open your chest, look up, push your shoulders down and stretch your neck up. Slouch knee करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, exhale, hip up, tuck your toes, knees up, and press your shoulders. And press your stomach on your thighs. 1, 2, Sakshi ma'am like this. 3, 4, and 5. Okay, inhale, right leg up, point your toes. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now bend your knee on your left side. अपने leg को bend करेंगे, knee को bend करेंगे left side, and look at your toe. 1, 2, or you can bend your knee. 3, 4, and 5. Okay, leg down. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left leg up. Point your toes, your ears, and arms in one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bend your left knee on your right side and look at your toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Leg down. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, step by step, come forward on your fingertips, spine straight, head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, head down. Try to touch your stomach on your thighs or simply bend your knees if your legs are paining. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, slowly come up. Shift your focus on your lower back. Arch in your lower back. Come up, stretch your arms over to your head. Open your chest, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, join your palms near to the heart center. 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale and release. Shake your legs. Shake your hands. The legs apart. Side twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, again shake your legs. Inhale and exhale. Okay, now open your legs in 3 feet. Inhale, left arm up. And now exhale, bend on your right side and slide your palm on your leg. Okay, look front. Hold for 5 breaths. Feel the stretch on your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, slowly come up. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, bend on your left side. Slide your palm on your leg. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up. Palms on your waist. Jump back. Shake your legs. Inhale or exhale. Okay, now again jump in 3 feet. Inhale, left arm up. And exhale, land on your right side. 5 breaths. 1, आगे की तरफ नहीं गिरेंगे, साइड में पूरा स्ट्रेच करना है, आगे की तरफ नहीं जाएंगे ऐसे. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, inhale, come up. Palm down. On other side.